Hello, are you about to advertise on Facebook? Now, if you are on the verge of advertising on Facebook or considering advertising on Facebook or on any social media platform at all, there are certain basics that must be covered first. So, this video I call it Facebook ads factors. These are some factors that you have to consider before going ahead to create an advertisement on any platform, whether it's a social media platform or a search engine um, platform like Google or Bing or Yahoo. So the first thing you have to consider before running an advert is a landing page. Now, what does that mean? It means that you need to have a page that you have decided for your adverts to be directed to. Now, many people they make a lot of mistakes. They make the big mistake of directing traffic to their Facebook fan page or to Google Forms. Now, this is a very big mistake. It's a fundamental mistake. You can't be advertising and then sending your the traffic of your advert to Google Forms or to your Facebook fan page. It doesn't make sense at all. What makes sense is that whenever you are running an advert, you should send the traffic to a landing page on your website. Now, why is this important? It's important because when a search engine notices that a lot of people are coming or visiting that particular landing page, which is on your website, the possibility of that page ranking on Google and other search engines becomes higher, especially in the long term. And if you put other factors which we are going to consider in place, those factors will consider them in later videos, but not in this particular video. So when next you want to create an advert, I want to beg you to ensure that you have a website and that you have a page on your website that you are directing the traffic to. As I said before, don't send the traffic to Google Forms, don't send the traffic to your Facebook fan page. Those are it's counterproductive. In the long term, you will not benefit from it. You can only benefit from this strategy in the short term. If you want to benefit from it in the long term, then you have to send the traffic to a landing page on your website. Okay. The next thing you need to understand is that you have to have a call to action on the advertising. Don't just say, for instance, t-shirts for sale in Lagos. You have to say something like, click here to get a t-shirt, or call this number. There has to be a call to action. The call to action is very important because there are many people who will click on your advert if there is no clear call to action, and clicking on those adverts just like that without an expectation which comes from your call to action will make you to just lose money, because many people are out there who are willing to click anything uh, that catches their fancy, on social media. Okay, so ensure you have a clear call to action that is effective. Okay, then the next thing is this: you have to collect contacts. Don't run adverts and try to sell. Yeah, it's good to try to sell with an advert. Maybe you are selling t-shirts. Don't just sell the t-shirt and walk away. No, also work on getting the contacts of the people that visit that website, whether they buy or not. So you have to have an incentive in place to see or to ensure that they leave their contacts behind. For example, they can leave their email addresses, they can leave their mobile phone numbers, and so on and so forth. So these things are very, very important. It's important that you collect contacts so that whoever cannot buy now will be able to buy later on. And then finally, try to make the people or your visitors to linger a little more. Make them linger as much time as possible on your website. The reason for that is because of the fact that Google will always favor um, people, or a website that people spend more time on. So if they just get on your landing page and after a few seconds they leave, that increases your bounce rate. Okay, the bounce rate of your website, and you don't want that. Okay, you don't want this. You don't want people to just get on your website and leave immediately. No, you want them to stay on. So how do you make them linger? There are different strategies for making people linger more or longer on your page. For instance, I can tell them, oh, if you want, we have an offer. Maybe you can present an offer to those who visit that page and tell them that, oh, if you click on this link, you'll be able to get maybe a free T-shirt, for instance, and then they click on it, and then you make them to probably go through a competition or whatever it is you want to do, but just ensure that you are able to legitimately keep them longer on your website. So with these four strategies, it will be easy for you to um, run Facebook adverts or adverts on any platform at all, and be able to benefit from it in the long term, because that is what you're supposed to be. Don't just try to sell in the short term. Yes, sell. When you sell in the short term, then your web pages should also benefit from the advert in the long term. This is how you should run adverts, and by doing this, you'll be able to strengthen your search engine optimization. Don't forget, that's why we did this video in the first place. Your search engine optimization. Thanks for watching. Like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.